Top 5 Best Herb Garden Kit 2025.
Number 5.
Herb Garden Kit 2025. Grow freshness right from your kitchen. In 2025, wellness starts at home. And what better way to embrace healthy living than growing your own herbs with a Herb Garden Kit? Whether you're an urban dweller with no outdoor space or a culinary enthusiast who loves flavor at your fingertips, a Herb Garden Kit offers the perfect solution. With modern design and smart features,
Number 4.
today's kits are compact, beginner-friendly, and highly efficient, making them one of the most popular kitchen tech products of the year. Seedling, what is a Herb Garden Kit? A Herb Garden Kit is an all-in-one indoor gardening system designed to help you easily grow herbs like basil, mint, cilantro, parsley, thyme, oregano, dill, and more, without needing a full garden or any soil
Number 3.
expertise. Most 2025 kits include grow pods or seed trays, nutrient packs or organic soil, built-in LED grow lights, self-watering systems or hydroponics, instruction manuals or companion apps. Some advanced kits even use AI-controlled lighting, humidity sensors, and smart watering technology, ensuring your plants get exactly what
Number 2.
they need. Check marquee features of Herb Garden Kits in 2025. 1. Smart LED grow lights. Simulate sunlight to optimize growth indoors, even in windowless kitchens. These are energy efficient and auto-adjust based on plant type. 2. Hydroponic or soil options. Grow herbs using traditional soil or soilless hydroponic
Number 1.
technology. Great for faster growth and less mess. 3. Self-watering system. Some models come with reservoirs that feed your plants for up to 2 weeks, making maintenance stress-free. 4. Compact and modular design. Perfect for placing on countertops, windowsills, or inside kitchen cabinets. 5. App control settings. High-end kits offer mobile connectivity,